Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. I got a nice one for you tonight. I got a review of one of the OGs of beard companies. Everybody's heard of this, I'm sure. This company, rather. Stay tuned after the intro, and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you all are safe. I hope you are all COVID free. Thank you guys for the continued support. I really appreciate it. Tonight we're going to be going over a company, one of the OGs of the beard world, Spartans Den. It's been a while since I've used their product. When I used them, the balm was a really nice, smooth, like pretty much a super buttery consistency, and the oil was a medium weight oil. Well, I got a surprise in the mail the other day, and sure enough, it was Spartans Den. They had sent me out a combo and a boar hair bristle brush. Before we get into the review, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. Stick around and check the video out. If you like it at the end, hit that thumbs up. They sent me out the classic scent combo. If you guys aren't familiar, I got my phone right here because I keep wanting to say a different scent, but the scent in this is spicy redwood, amber, and red grapefruit. And to me, I get a really nice, like old school, musky type scent, and it really smells good, and it really lasts a long time. And if you guys aren't familiar with Spartans Den, obviously you've been over a rock, under a bridge, wherever hiding. They got the old pump top, and it is a 2-ounce bottle. And their oil is, I'm gonna say, a little bit, it's on the thicker side, but not super thick. In beard feel, it feels really good. It softens my beard up. It does give my beard a nice shine. That's one thing about Spartans Den that I always liked, how it put a nice shine on my beard. The balm, let me go over I'm jumping ahead of myself. Let me go over the ingredients. The ingredients in their products are grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, apricot oil, pumpkin seed oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. And like I said, the scent lasts a long time. It lasts all day. It's a nice musky type scent. The balm, if you guys have never tried a Spartans Den balm, it's definitely a great consistency. It's like I said, it's a buttery smooth consistency. The ingredients in this are cocoa butter, cocoa oil, shea butter, sunflower oil, soybean oil, aloe vera, beeswax, apricot kernel, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. So quite the amount of ingredients in there. And as you can see, it is you can sit there and push on it. And I gotta work on my lighting. I know, guys. I'm sorry. I can push on it, and it'll just push right down. And this is a balm for all you newbies, and it breaks down pretty nice. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on my hand. Oh, sorry about that, guys. And the scent, like I said, it's a nice, like a manly, musky scent. It smells absolutely awesome in beard. Holding power on the balm. It's a light hold. Like I said, the conditioning factor, more than anything. It's not really a good holding balm, but to me, that's perfectly fine for me because I'd rather have it condition my beard more than anything. And that was the balm. And last but not least, they sent me out a nice boar hair bristle brush. And I've always liked that Spartan logo. That's a pretty cool logo. And this brush is, I'm not gonna say it's pocket size. It's a little bit bigger than a pocket size. And the bristles, I'm gonna say somewhere between a light and medium stiffness. I mean, It feels good going across the beard. It's not, too firm to where it's, pressing against your face, but it's definitely a nice brush to use. I've used it quite a few times because it's just it to give you kind of a comparison. It's a little bit smaller than my palm, and you can grip it. And if I remember correctly, I watched a video Dave over at Bearded Motivation, and what you do is you wrap one of those rubber bracelets around here so you can grip it. Once you put products in, your hands are kind of greasy, and you just grab it like that. And I think I'm gonna try that out. And that'll wrap it up for this review of Spartans Den. Thank you to the guys and gals at Spartan Dens for sending this out. It was quite a surprise. Guys, if you haven't heard of Spartans Den, I'll leave everything in the description box below. Thank you guys for sticking around for the video. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to see any type of product reviewed, I know a few of you guys want to see how I straighten my beard. Because believe it or not, I don't use a beard straightener that much. I just use the hair dryer method. So I'll be getting that up, I think, soon. Pretty much that's it. I don't really do trim videos or anything like that. I do the other types of videos as well. So hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Till the next review, peace.